In this quick tutorial, we'll show you exactly how to contact Moneygram support. Whether you have questions about a transaction, need help with your account, or simply want to clarify some details, contacting support is straightforward. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you get the assistance you need. First, you'll need to open the Moneygram app on your phone. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial because accessing your profile and support options will require you to be logged in. Once you're in, look at the top of the screen for your profile icon. Tap on it, and this will lead you to your account details and settings. Now, scroll down until you find the support section. This is your gateway to getting help from Moneygram. In this section, you'll notice a couple of options. If you prefer immediate assistance, tap on Chat with Us. This feature connects you directly to a live Moneygram support representative who can help you with your issue in real time. Simply type out your problem or question, and the representative will provide the guidance or information you need. If chatting isn't your preferred method, or if you have a more detailed issue to report, consider tapping on Contact Us. This will take you to the support form. Here, you'll need to fill in some essential details, including your name, email address, and a description of your issue. Be as detailed as possible in the description so Moneygram can understand and address your concern effectively. Once you've filled everything out, go ahead and submit the form. After submitting, Moneygram will review your request. They typically respond through email or directly via the app, so keep an eye on both for their reply. This process ensures that your issue is logged and tracked, leading to a more thorough follow-up from their support team. Additionally, if you prefer using a computer or don't have access to the app, you can always visit the official Moneygram website. Navigate to the Help or Contact section for more support options available online. And there you have it. That's how to contact Moneygram support. Whether you choose to chat live or submit a form, these steps will help you get the assistance you need efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.